Hi everyone, today I'm excited to walk you through the process of creating and managing events on Pric platform to grow. First, let's head over to our website, thepric.com. After logging into your account, you'll find a sidebar on the left. Here you'll see various options such as creating locked messages, courses, and Telegram integrations. But today we're focusing on events. To create an event, click on Event. Now click on the Launch event. Let's say I want to create a business workshop. The first step is to upload an image for the event. I've already designed one, so I'll go ahead and upload it. Next, I'll add the title Strategies to Grow Your Business and choose the appropriate category, in this case, business. After that, we need to decide what type of event it will be. You can choose between a Zoom webinar, a virtual event, or an in-person event. For this example, I'll select a Zoom webinar. I've already created a Zoom meeting for the workshop, so I'll simply copy the meeting link, ID, and passcode and paste them into the event form. Now, let's set the date and time. The event will take place on September 1st, starting at 9 a.m. and ending at 11 a.m. Next, let's talk about pricing. You can choose whether the event is free or paid. For this workshop, I'll set it as a paid event with an entry fee of $4.99. I'll name the ticket General and set the quantity to 45, meaning only 45 people can attend the workshop. Additionally, I'll offer a 10% discount, making the ticket price more attractive to potential attendees. Once all the details are filled in, we're ready to publish the event. Just click on Submit, and within a few seconds, your event page will be live. Now let's take a look at the dashboard to see how you can manage your event. At the top, you'll see total registrations showing how many people have signed up and total earnings reflecting your revenue from this event. Below that, there's an overview section displaying the event's title, category. If you need to add more information, like the event type or the language, simply click on Add Details and fill them in. You can also update the location and time here if needed. Additionally, there's an event pricing section where you can review the upsell price. Now, upsell price is a strategy to make attendees feel they're getting the event at a discounted rate. Below this, you'll find the ticket sales count. The event gallery allows you to showcase images from previous events. For instance, I'll add some photos from my last workshop. Just click on Add Media, give it a title like Workshops, and upload the images. You can choose to display or hide the gallery as needed. Testimonials are another great way to enhance engagement. To add one, click on Add Testimonial and enter the name, let's say Ritika Singh, Marketing Expert. I have already written it, so I will just copy it and paste it here. Once done, click Save. Finally, there's the Subscribers tab, where you can view the details of everyone who registered for your event, including their contact information. The Transactions section shows the payment status for each attendee. If a payment is incomplete, you'll have the user's contact details to reach out and resolve any issues. Last but not least, the Statistics Insights section provides valuable data on how many people visited your event page and where your traffic is coming from, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or other platforms. Now we have created the event, but don't know how the event page looks like. To view the page landing page, come to the Overview section and click on the link provided here. You will be redirected to the next page. This is your landing page. And that's it. You've successfully created and managed an event on Pric. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.